I'm David.
And I'm Gio. And you're watching Wheelworks.
All right, we're with David. David, tell us about this Genesis. What year is it? What trim model is it?
This is a 2022. Trim is a G80.
G80. Now tell me about how did you, or what made you want to like enter that contest that we had for the Father's Day?
I honestly wasn't gonna enter it. Like I don't really win a lot of things, so I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then I was watching it on the couch while they were playing video games, and my kid, I told him, I was like, look, check that, they're having like a Father's Day contest. He's like, you should enter it.
Your son did?
Yeah, Preston, my older son, he was the one that was like, you should enter the contest.
Is that true, Preston? You told your dad, hey, we should enter it?
Yeah.
Great. Well, your dad was the winner of some Vertini wheels. Shout out to Vertini for the sponsorship on these new wheels you're going to get. Now, he chose some bronze wheels. White and bronze, in my opinion, is always a win. I have always been a fan of bronze and white. Now, there was a lot of great submissions from all of our followers that submitted. Thank you for submitting all those submissions. Now, this one stood out the most to us, David's story. He actually bought wheels from us, and we weren't even aware of that until the information was given, and his story as well. David, tell us the history and also what happened and, you know, the whole thing about it.
So I actually ordered wheels from you guys a few years ago, and just last year in May, we got rear-ended. I had both of these guys in the car. The wheels were just like unsalvageable. The car was totaled out.
What kind of car was it?
Same exact car, but he was the one that was like, that car kept us safe, we should get another one. And he really liked the car. I couldn't find another black one, so I found a white one. I was just really discouraged about like getting wheels and tinting wheels. I haven't really done anything to this one.
So this is the first upgrade you're doing to the wheels. No tint yet, but wheels and tires, first upgrade.
Yeah, first upgrade on it, yeah.
You bought wheels from us, you had a Genesis, same car, had an accident. Yeah. You submitted you did a great submission. Your son told you to do it. You won the submission. You're getting wheels free from Vertini because of Father's Day giveaway and tires from Lexani. That's awesome, man. It's a win-win. This is a big giveaway, guys. We should just do wheels only and the customer buys the tires. This is wheels and tire giveaway for Father's Day. So David got really liking the submission. He submitted it. The submission said, why do you deserve to win? And we had a lot of great submissions. David's story stood out to us and we chose him. So congratulations, David. And thank you,
much, guys.
Thank you, Vertini, for sponsoring this and Lexani tires.
All right, David, so now that we got all the formal stuff out of the way, I say let's bring your Genesis into the bay and let's put those wheels on.
Awesome.
So we're gonna remove the valve core so we can take the sensors out. And we're gonna put these TPMS sensors into the new wheels. So now that the air is fully removed from this tire, it's safe to pop the bead and get to the TPMS sensor. You don't wanna do this when the tire has a lot of air because it can explode. There we go, just a ratchet wrench, and we pull that TPMS sensor right out. So this is what the TPMS sensor looks like. This is the little computer that measures the PSI in your tires and tells your car if it's low on air. We're gonna put these in the new guys.
All right, David, let's show you the wheels, how we drill them out, okay?
Okay,
right now they're blank, but we're gonna show you like the process, okay?
Okay, yeah, I can't wait.
We get the work order like this. We give them the vehicle information, the offset, the bolt pattern, and the center board.
Yeah.
These guys tape it up. I'll show you how we tape it up. This one, they shaved the wheel already. It's still blank in the front, so once they shave it, then they drill it.
Okay.
So right now, he's shaving the wheel.
Wow.
He's shaving the back pad of the wheel.
Okay.
And then they already opened the center board too. This is the front, this is the 20x9. Wow. They tape this up because that way it doesn't, when they clamp them down to the machine, it doesn't scratch it.
Okay, cool.
We changed the back spacing, comes blank 15.
Okay.
We're gonna shave it to a 28.
Oh, wow. I like the color. I was nervous about.
So you were nervous about the color?
It was so hard to pick a color. I was like, I don't know. Like,
that's your dad's wheels. That water's there, so so the bit stays cool.
That's so crazy.
All right, David. So once we're done shaving, drilling them, opening the center board,
okay,
we're gonna take your wheels all the way to the front bay, and then take out your sensors and mount new tires and get everything going, okay?
Awesome, sounds great.
A few moments later.
So we have the Vertini wheels. They've officially been drilled by the machines in the back, and they are looking beautiful. I really think this bronze color is gonna stand out great on the white paint. So again, we'll start off by putting the old TPMS sensor into this wheel. By using the old sensors, we also won't have to reprogram anything. The car will not notice any difference. You'll get no weird lights. We'll be good to go, just like factory with these Bertini wheels. Going in with the Lexani tire. Again, guys, this is a big giveaway because we usually don't do wheel and tire, but this time for Father's Day, we did do wheel and tire. So David's a lucky guy. This is one of the all-new wheels from Bertini as well. It's got a sick look. It looks so aggressive, so good. That bronze finish is just the way to go. Tires on, get rid of that sticker. Now all it's left to do, inflate it with air and balance it. It's honestly a really quick process. Once we have the wheels here, our master technicians can throw the tires on there, balance them, and throw them on the car in literally so little time. Air is going in. The computer is gonna tell it exactly what PSI to get to, which in this case, looks like it's about 39 PSI, which is factory for this car. That loud noise was the bead setting, which means the tire fully mounted itself onto the wheel, and now it's good to be balanced. Computer says okay, we are good to go. Just like that, guys. A couple of minutes and the tire's on and balanced. Oh my gosh, I am already loving the look of this, and the wheel's not even on yet. So to be honest, this is kind of a rinse and repeat process. Now that we've done one, we're gonna take off the other 3 wheels on the car and do the exact same process. And in just a few minutes, David will be on his way with a brand new makeover, completely for free. All right, guys, wheels are on. You ready to see the transformation?
What do you think of the car?
It looks really cool.
Whoa, man, it looks so good.
It looks insane.
I was not sure about the color, but I love the color on there. It was hard to choose. It was so hard to choose. Changes the car so much.
This is because of you.
I think it looks really, really good with the new tires.
You like the color?
Yeah.
The color is so cool. So it's because of Preston that these wheels
Thanks,
are on
buddy.
the car.
Thanks for making me enter it, bud. It's so cool.
Guys, so what a fitment from Bertini. The RFS 2.8 bronze. This is gonna be a 20x9 in the front, face 1, but I just wanna highlight the face 2 concave on this 20x10. This is a perfect example of that OEM plus fitment. So for anyone watching this, if you're looking to do an upgraded OEM plus fitment where you're not going completely overboard, you're not going 3-4 inches bigger, and you're not going a lot wider, this is a great halfway point where the car still looks like it's kind of OEM. This is an amazing example of just exactly that. 20x9, 20x10, beautiful setup.
All right, guys, now we got the Bertini wheels on the car. The Genesis looks way better. David, what do you think of the final touches that we did to the car?
I love it, man. It was hard to choose a color, but this is exactly what I wanted it to look like without even knowing how I wanted it to look.
Now, this wheel is brand new for 2026. He's one of the first ones to have the RFS 2.8 bronze finish on a Genesis. I think it is the first Genesis, though, to be honest, in the whole country. I mean, it's a mesh design, deep concave in the back. It's a flush fitment. It's perfect, spot on, in my opinion. Sponsored by Bertini and Lexani. It couldn't be better, David. I mean, yeah, they sponsored it, got free wheels, free tires. I think it's a win-win all around.
I'm extremely excited, man. This is like something I never thought was gonna happen. You know, like it really does happen. You know, like if you're second guessing signing up or
give it a try.
Getting into, yeah, you got to get into the concept. Just do it. You might win. You never know.
All right, guys, and if you guys like this content, content, make sure to like, subscribe. We do giveaways all the time. Take advantage of it. Free wheels, free tires. Come on, guys. It's a no-brainer. And if you guys want to be in Wheelworks and get free wheels and tires, drop a comment. Let us know what car you have. And if you're shopping for wheels, check our website out, AudioCityUSA.com, or you can just give us a call. We'll guide you through the whole process. We're offering free shipping on all the wheels on lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call. Just check out the website out. We have great financing programs too.